Ano masasabi nyo? Hindi ba masama ang loob nyo kinatay ang manok nyo?
Hindi
Ah. Wow, sarap. Tapos may tanglad. Oh, delicious naman yan, chef. 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 Ang tisoy ng chef. Ay, English.
I got
You cut?
the check.
Oo, I don't understand. Basta delicious.
Ako rin, hindi ko rin alam sinasabi.
You mean we are cooking the chicken of our papa?
Yes, our tabrahante.
Oh, kaluoy man.
It's okay.
Para sa workers?
For delicious the amore.
Sa workers na mga hubog? Ano yung luluto natin?
Tinolang chicken.
Chicken na.
Bisaya na tinola.
Tinola. We're cooking you mean we are cooking the tinola Bisaya?
Bisaya.
Not Tagalog.
Na hindi, Bisaya lang.
Not English.
Not English.
Okay, Bisaya.
Stickers, yung pang siya. Wala pa fire. Sila susi na yan. More.
Where's the chicken?
The chicken
Inside?
is beef.
The Bisaya is there?
Is there. So it's there in the
It's
deep.
very hot. The Bisaya
Yes,
is
very-
hot.
Very